Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking real estate logo for your business. So if you are starting a new business in real estate, or if you already have a real estate business and want to upgrade or create a new logo, then this video is for you. You don't have to worry if you have no experience with design or creativity. Just create an account on canva.com, and after creating your account, go to the search bar and type Real Estate Logo. You'll see a lot of options. To view more options, go to See All. Now you are in the Real Estate Logos collection. Just scroll down. Whichever logo you like or that meets your expectations, you can customize. If you want to create one from scratch, you can start here. But today, we'll be modifying pre-made templates. So maybe I'll go with this one. This option is free. Canva will also suggest more options that might fit your preference. And once you find one that matches your needs, you just have to customize it. After you start customizing, you have full access to modify whatever you want. For example, if you want to change the text, you can do it like this, or resize it. You can change the font style like this, and you can add elements like this. If you want to experiment with text, these are the options. You can also change the font, resize it, adjust the color, make it bold or italic, underline, strike through, change to uppercase or lowercase, align, create a list, and adjust line and letter spacing. There's also an option for text transparency and effects. You can choose whichever effect you like, and you can try it out. To crop your text, you can crop your text, and if you don't need it, you can remove it. You can also use advanced effects as well. Go to Position, and with one click, you can reposition your text. You can also set the position manually. This is a simple process. If you want to add any elements or a logo, just go to Elements and search for Real Estate. You can go to Graphics. There are lots of options. If I remove one and add another, I can send it to the back. And just like this, you can add whichever one you like. You can also adjust as you wish. To change colors, just click on it. Go to Color Options and change it. If you want to change line spacing, do it like this. Yep, you can customize whatever you like. And you can add any elements from the Canva library. If you have your own element, you can upload it from your computer, and it will appear here. You just need to drag and drop it here, like this. You can experiment and adjust as you like. You can add your own text, branding, elements, images, everything you want. When you're done with your design, and after reviewing your logo, to export it, you can rename your logo file, and to download it, go to Share, Download, and choose PNG or any other format you prefer. So, as you saw, it's easy to design and customize pre-made templates in Canva. And within a few minutes, you can create your own real estate logo in Canva. Thank you for watching.